Hello everyone. This session we are going to see security misconfiguration deployment on our current local system and on our remote system. In a previous session we have seen patch deployment and configuration. So in this session we are going to see security misconfiguration deployment and how to configure it. So here you can see I have deployed 3 misconfigurations and one of them is currently executed in my current system. You can see the name of the system and configuration details, execution status. So in my remote system is succeeded and it is configured. Yes. Now let's deploy one more for remote system. Go on security configuration, select any of them, like which one is easy, and for practice purpose deploy this one. Settings are like little much easier. So select domain and select your domain for work group. Select computer, select computer, and enable notification after 6 hours and for 3 days. Then just give your email address for receiving notification email. Yes, and then click on deploy immediately. Here you can see our security configuration is deployed and ready to execute. After some time it will automatically executed on your remote system. It will take some time, like is for remote. So when you are deploying for your local current system, it is very easy. Let's do it for local system. Just click your system. I have clicked for Shubham Shah. Security configuration. Select any of them. Yes, let's just select it. Tier 1 and faster one. Then select domain, workgroup, computer, select your computer, and do not modify these settings. I will not recommend you to modify it on your choice, and then just go immediately. So the security configuration is deployed for, like, these all are the rules, configuration name and the status, created by, last modification time. If you like feel that the settings are not at my end, so just modify it like whatever you want, like, or modify it in your way. Okay, so here is how you can deploy security configurations. And yes, here you can see we have deployed one and it is executed after some seconds. It is already executed in a remote session. I will just, yes. So for work group, Shubham, no, it's not for remote session. It is for our local group. Shubham, let me check the name. Yes, it is executed and security configuration is now in our system. To confirm that the configuration is actually deployed on your system, just go here and select on a system, then scan system. So yes, for this system scan is already initiated. So after the scan is completed, I will show you that the security configuration is deployed or not. Is it successfully deployed or not? So I will just scan these both. Before, just remember the name is last sign in user and ensure browser history. These two are the name for security configuration. After the scan is completed, we will see that it is already deployed or not. Yes, I will meet you after the scan is completed. Stay tuned. So meantime, the scan is initiating. We will see the web server configuration, security misconfigurations. Here you can see all the misconfigurations for the web server. This web server is for UMS Central Service Agent itself. I'm currently running my ManageEngine in my current system. So the UMS central server. Here is the all the misconfiguration in this server. Here you can see resolution. Just click on resolution. It will show you the misconfiguration and how to resolve it. Just resolve by yourself. Here you can see it will gives you the resolution step, how to resolve you this security misconfiguration. Yes. Now just systems, and here you can see our system is now completely scanned. Come here and security configuration. So yes, here you can see configuration security misconfiguration is now deployed, not showing here. Before we have deployed, will showing you the 5 important misconfiguration, and now it's only 4 important misconfigurations. So yes, just check the status of security configuration, and yes, it is executed. For this fourth one, I think my setting is not, yes, good. Now done. Just click on deploy immediately. For this on creation, change the settings. Just deploy immediately. Deploy it. Creation. After 1 to 2 minutes, it will automatically deploy it in your system. It depends on how the security configuration is and how it takes. So if you are trying on high or critical misconfiguration, it will take some time. For this three, here you can see security configuration. Yes, configuration is now resolved, deployed in our system. Yes, this is the example of how you can deploy a misconfiguration, security misconfiguration in your system, your remote system or your local system. Yes.